waters from Ocklackney River.
I just turned on the 258, and then I hear ears
Coastal waters
tones.
from Mexico
Oh,
until 9:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 8:45
holy crap!
at 8:44 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, or 7:44 p.m. Central Standard Time.
Holy crap! I'm not even done unpacking yet. Oh,
Moving northeast at 35 knots.
WR10.
Wind gusts 34
5-8.
knots or greater.
Oh,
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect wind gusts in excess of 34 knots. Suddenly high waves.
holy
Lightning and
crap!
heavy downpours. Make sure all on board are aware of locations impacted include St. George Island.
That scared me so bad. So I pressed the weather button, and all of a sudden I hear the 262.
The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters.
I'll turn that off later. Holy crap!